Hello friends, this is a 2-mark question on DMGT on topic graph theory. The question reads as follows. Let T of n be a star graph with n edges. Assume you have two separate star graphs Tk and Tm for some positive integer k and m respectively. Pick any random vertex from each graph and connect them with an edge. Then what information would you infer is true from the resulting graph of T? A star graph is nothing but a tree with one internal node and n leaves. For example, consider the following two star graphs. Here, the first star graph has 4 edges and 5 nodes, whereas the second star graph has 8 edges and 9 nodes. Now, we are said that to pick any random vertex from each of these star graph and connect them with an edge. So there are 3 possibilities. We can connect the center of both the graphs, or we can connect the leaf node of both the graph, or we can connect the center of a graph with leaf node of some another graph. And we are asked which statement among the options is true for the resulting graph T. So let us look at each option one by one. The first option says that the graph T has a chromatic number 3. This is wrong because we can color the resulting graph T with 2 colors. For example, in this example, if we color the vertex 1 with red and all other vertices of the first graph with color green, and similarly if we color the vertex A in the second graph with color green and all the leaf vertices with color red and connect any two vertices of this graph as explained earlier, then it will still be two colorable, that is, no two adjacent vertices will have the same color. So the first statement is wrong. Now let us look at the second statement, which says that maximum degree of the resulting graph is the maximum among k and m plus 1. This statement is wrong because sometimes the maximum degree can be maximum among k and m. For example, if we connect the vertex 3 with vertex C of the graph, then the maximum degree of the resulting graph would be 8 because the vertex A in the resulting graph would have the maximum degree as 8. So the statement in option B is also wrong. Now let us look at option D, which says that maximum degree of the resulting graph is maximum among k and m, which is also wrong because sometimes the degree of the resulting graph can be maximum among k and m plus 1, and this would happen when we connect the center vertex of both the graph. For example, if we connect 1 with vertex A, then the maximum degree of the resulting graph would be 9 because vertex A has degree as 9, which would be maximum among all the vertices of the graph. So option D is also wrong. The correct answer to this question is option C, which says that T is two colorable, which we have already explained since the resulting graph T can be colored with only two vertices, two colors. Thank you.